Beloved Masters, there has been a plethora of predictions and theories about the future of humanity and the Earth. Some of these predictions have a strong possibility of occurring while others definitely will not happen. Throughout the many ages, humanity has had an integral part to play in creating the collective consciousness belief structure, whereby great dramas, both positive and negative, would be played out in different countries, between races and cultures, as well as individually. True, each age has been affected by an overlighting preordained theme which was appropriate for the time. There were challenges and opportunities during each era that affected every living being on Earth, and each decision, whether beneficial or detrimental, affected the whole. However, nothing or no one can alter the universal divine plan except our Father/Mother God. Cycles upon cycles, personal, planetary, galactic, universal and omniversal cycles are coming to a completion, and it is as if all creation is lining up with the heart core of the Supreme Creator. To further your understanding with regard to these accelerated times of change, we will outline for you some of the scenarios that will not occur in your future, and give you some insight into some of the changes that are taking place and will occur in the near future. By doing so, hopefully, we can alleviate some of the unrest and fear that is rampant on Earth at this time. There will not be a galactic rescue team who will come to the Earth in great light ships and lift the righteous souls off the Earth into the heavenly realms. Each of you has participated, to one degree or another, in creating the out-of-balance, dense, restrictive world you now live in, and each of you must actively take part in the rescue mission by first rescuing yourselves, and then by assisting in the process of returning the planet Earth to a healthy state of being, and also by eradicating the negative mass consciousness belief patterns of the past. How do you accomplish such a monumental task? First of all, by focusing on your own transformation process of returning to balance and harmony within the accepted spectrum of light and shadow, so that, henceforth, you will be radiating uplifting, positive thought patterns instead of negative, detrimental energy. A critical component for becoming a self-master, in order to create a better world for yourself and others, is to focus on and accomplish the opening of the portal to your sacred heart, thereby allowing the God particles of living light to flow into and through your physical vessel. You are to take what you require for personal use, and allow the remainder to flow down into the Earth and outward into the crystalline grid system around the Earth. It would also be a benevolent act of great benefit if you were to allot a portion of the God particles that you draw forth to the world pyramid in the higher fifth dimension to be used for the greatest good of humanity, the Earth, and all creation. You, the Light Sentinels, are performing a wonderful service for humanity and the Earth by becoming purified vessels for the adamantine particles of Creator Light, and by sharing these God particles with the Earth and humanity. You, as Light Warriors, are making a difference as you faithfully stay the course and rise above the maelstrom of fear and negativity that is rampant on Earth at this time. The desperation and fear are growing stronger by the hour as the penetrating refined light of change collides with those structures built on the quicksand of greed, created by those with a desire to dominate and control others. It is also having a profound effect on those who are steeped in the illusion of the third/fourth dimensions and who are resistant to change. The vibrational patterns of refinement and expansion will not be denied, and as the pressure for change grows stronger, those in resistance and denial will cry out for assistance. However, there can be no rescue for these dear souls until they relinquish their selfish mindset and begin the process of self-transformation. As all of you are aware, it is a time when those who have actively sought love, happiness, and self-satisfaction outside themselves, are seeing their material possessions disappear or become great burdens. A great multitude of souls born in the most recent generations have never suffered deprivation or poverty, and immediate self-gratification has become the norm. Both personal and generational karma, or cause and effect repercussions due to irresponsible actions, are now being experienced among a vast majority of souls at this time. These conditions will worsen over the next few years, and many dear souls will choose to transcend and continue their journey in another third/fourth dimensional world, for they are not ready or willing to make the necessary changes it would require to return to balance and harmony both within their inner and outer worlds. Blessed are those of you who have aligned your will with that of our Father/Mother God for the greatest good of all. The God power within must be activated by loving intention, or it will remain static, inactive, and non-responsive. The universal laws are immutable, however, when you align with your godly self, the riches within the cosmic storehouse are available in a never-ending supply. The earth will not be destroyed through either man-made or natural forces. It is true that the cleansing of the earth will continue and will accelerate in frequency and strength in various places around the globe. However, those of you who have diligently striven to attain self-mastery are much more powerful than any of you realize. You, the star seed, who have gained the capability of tapping into the higher dimensional frequencies of light, and have perfected the sacred breathing and the conscious co-creation techniques, are truly making a difference. Each of you is more powerful than 100,000 souls who are still functioning within the negative third/fourth dimensional environment and only have access to the half-strength primal life force substance. However, we will state that there is a high probability that within 20 years of your time, many of the low coastal areas around the world will be abandoned, for it will become apparent that it is not feasible or prudent to continue to battle the elements and try to dominate the land, regardless of how many levees or artificial barriers are created. It is time to accept the fact that humanity and the earth are in the midst of monumental change, and the only way to tame the elemental forces of nature is to acknowledge the great Divic Kingdom once more, and to strive to work with them to lessen the catastrophic events that are happening more and more often during these times of cleansing and restructuring of the earth. All of you must bear some of the blame for the sad state the earth is presently in, and it behooves all of you to do whatever you can to help return your home planet to its pristine beauty. Many of you are feeling a strong impulse to move to another, supposedly, safer place. Know, dear hearts, that you take your safety, or your cataclysms, with you. Never forget, those of you who are in harmony with the ever-changing vibrational patterns of ascension will always be safe and in the right place at the right time, if you will stay centered within your sacred heart, and allow the divine particles of life/light to flow through you, infusing the crystalline grid system with the refined frequencies of light, thereby creating safe, sacred places around the earth and around each of you, as well. The world will not end in December 2020. However, the world as you know it is changing rapidly, day by day, and by the time 2020 arrives, you will be living in a vastly different world. The chasms between the light and shadow lands will be more pronounced, and the refined cities of light will begin to take form in various sacred places around the world. These sacred cities will be built in the areas where the crystalline grids and ley lines intersect, and where the pulsations of creator light are the strongest, and will draw to them those who resonate to, and are in harmony with the refined vibrational patterns of a particular city of light. Those who are still functioning within the lower imbalanced frequencies will not be comfortable in these higher dimensional oases. They may visit briefly, but they will not remain. The cleansing of the earth will continue, but by that time, it will be very apparent where most of the places of safety are and where there is more cleansing needed. There will still be localized wars and infighting, however, many of the countries in the world will be focused on their own people and internal affairs, and how to maintain a semblance of order during the radical changes that will be taking place. It is time when each nation, just as each person, should seek to clean up their own miscreations before pointing a finger at others in an effort to divert attention from their own inadequacies and failures. The time is upon you when you must look to the intention and the integrity of your leaders. It is a time to deny leadership to those who say believe what I say, and pay no attention to what I do. It is time to demand accountability and honesty of those you choose to govern in any capacity. You will not gain responsible, enlightened, benevolent leaders until you demand it and stop allowing yourselves to be swayed by false promises to save you and make your world a better place. Again, beloveds, you are your own saviors, and until each of you begins to take responsibility for your own creations and miscreations, you will continue to be dominated by those whose main priorities are their own self-interests. Beloved ones, you, the star seed, are the guiding lights for those who are attempting to shed the fear and the shackles of the third/fourth dimensional illusion. Before you incarnated on Earth for this pivotal lifetime, you stepped to the fore and agreed to be among the vanguard, and to become shining examples for others to follow. Within, you have all the wisdom you will need to fulfill your mission. As doubts arise, remember, all of your experiences from the past, whether they were successful or seemingly failures, have given you a wealth of experience to draw upon. We are endeavoring to help you remember your magnificence, and to know that what we ask of you, you have accomplished many times before. We ask you to go into your pyramid of light in the fifth dimension, and sit in the energy of your higher self. What is your passion? What are the deepest yearnings of your heart? Spirit is whispering to you, and if you answer the call, magnificent vistas and opportunities beyond your imagining will emerge, and we will be there to guide and inspire you, as always. Many of you are experiencing a divine discontent, as well as many life changes at this time. Things that used to bring you pleasure no longer satisfy, and you may have lost any common interest with many of your friends. That is because your soul self is nudging you to move forward, to expand your vision and take control of your destiny. You and your enlightened soul brothers and sisters are the builders of the future. You are being offered a wonderful opportunity to access the wisdom of your higher self. Through our teachings, we are giving you all the information you will need to begin to access the wisdom of galactic consciousness and even beyond, and as you learn to build and use your pyramid of power/light in the fifth dimension, you will quickly tap into the galactic infinity gateway where all the riches of the universe will be made available to you. It is your divine birthright to live in abundance and prosperity, you have just forgotten. First, you must realize you are worthy, and then as you practice and learn the necessary skills, those things that you desire in your life will begin to manifest. Remember, abundance comes in many forms, so seek an abundance of love, joy, good health, and vitality, as well as all the material things you require to live a full and comfortable life. As you begin to create miracle after miracle, those around you will want to know what you are doing. That is when you should share the techniques, beliefs, and wisdom you have claimed as your own. That is when you will become a true self-master. First you will teach by example and through your actions, and finally through words. Focus on what is right in your world, and look for the best in those around you, for that is what you will reinforce. You can change the world around you, one thought at a time. Remember, you have refined light packets of wisdom stored within your sacred mind. Tap into that wisdom and share with your brothers and sisters on the path. There are many ways to serve, and being an example for others is one of the most effective ways. Create beauty, peace, and harmony in your life, and others will take notice and want to learn your secret. You, the star seed, are the forerunners and architects of the new earth. You are needed, beloved ones. We radiate the eternal love of our Father/Mother God to each of you. We, the angelic host, are your guardians and protectors. Call on us, we will answer. I am Archangel Michael.